If Chrome is struggling with 3D graphics, browser games, or interactive websites, the fix is often simpler than you think. In this video, I'll show you how to enable WebGL in Chrome step by step so you can get your browser running with proper graphics support. This is especially useful if websites are not loading correctly, games are lagging, or you see graphics errors. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. WebGL is a graphics technology that helps Chrome display 3D content, interactive elements, and GPU-accelerated visuals more smoothly. So if a website depends on graphics hardware and Chrome isn't handling it properly, enabling the right setting can make a big difference. Next, click the three dots menu in the top right corner of Chrome. This opens the main browser menu. From there, click Settings. This will take you into Chrome's settings page, where you can change browser behavior and performance options. Once the settings page opens, look at the left-hand menu and click System. In this section, you'll find the option called Use Graphics Acceleration when available. This setting is important because WebGL usually depends on hardware acceleration to work correctly. If it's turned off, Chrome may fall back to slower software rendering, which can cause WebGL to fail or appear unavailable. Now turn that setting on. If it was already on, leave it enabled. After switching it on, Chrome will usually ask you to relaunch the browser. Click Relaunch so the change can take effect. This restart is important because Chrome needs to reload with graphics acceleration enabled. After Chrome restarts, open a new tab and type chrome://GPU into the address bar, then press Enter. This special Chrome page shows you the browser's graphics status and tells you what features are being hardware accelerated. It's the best place to verify whether WebGL is actually working. On the chrome://GPU page, look for the WebGL section. If everything is set up correctly, you should see that WebGL is listed as hardware accelerated. That means Chrome is using your system's graphics support properly, and WebGL should now work on supported websites and applications. If you still don't see WebGL enabled, double check that hardware acceleration is turned on in Chrome's system settings, then relaunch again. You may also want to update your graphics drivers and make sure Chrome is fully updated, because outdated drivers can sometimes block WebGL from working the way it should. And that's it. You've now learned how to enable WebGL in Chrome and verify that it's running properly. This simple setting can solve a lot of browser graphics issues and improve your experience on sites that rely on 3D rendering or GPU performance. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.